Breweries today can easily use renewable electricity to get rid of fossil fuels for their process heat. Let's take a look at some processes and how to transition them with Kraftblock. First up is drying malt. Depending on the brew, different temperatures and lengths are necessary. A dryer can be supplied by hot air, for example. The main brewing process happens in typical kettles, sometimes still using copper, sometimes in steel equipment. The processes stay the same: mashing, loitering, boiling. In mashing, malt is mixed with hot water at around 64 degrees C to make wort, which contains the fermentable sugar. Following mashing, the loitering process separates the sweet wort from solid grain. Then the liquid is boiled at 100 degrees C, which sterilizes the wort and stops enzyme activity. All these kettles usually run on steam provided by a steam network. At Kraftblock, we can easily replace fossil fuels with renewable energy for the steam network or air that is needed in such processes. Electricity is converted to heat when prices are cheap or own plants are running. The heat is stored in a unique material that was specifically developed for a great energy capacity. When needed, the heat is blown out again and transferred to a steam boiler or used directly as air. Then the existing steam network is supplied as usual. Other processes like pasteurization or the sterilizing and cleaning of bottles before filling can also be part of that. This smart system can also be applied to the production of other alcoholic drinks such as whiskey, gin and vodka to reduce the operating costs.